Hi everyone. I'm Dr. Saravana Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNS College of Technology. So in that last session, we discussed about importance of strategic management. So now we are going to discuss strategic management process. So everyone know about the process is nothing but a system. So you will see one by one. Strategic management process. So first we will see that strategic management process, its vision and mission. So vision and mission. Vision is a long-term goal, mission is a short-term goal. A well-defined vision and mission are pivotal for guiding an organization's long-term goals and daily operations. The vision provides a strategic direction, while the mission clarifies its purpose and core values. Aligning both with the organization's strategy promotes unity and effective resource allocation. So, defining vision, a robust vision statement provides direction for the organization's long term aspirations, influencing strategic decisions, and aligning stakeholders toward a common purpose. So, crafting mission, the mission statement articulates the organization's fundamental purpose, outlining its primary functions and target audience, guiding operational strategies and cultural values. Aligning with strategy, ensuring that both vision and mission are aligned with strategic objectives enhances coherence in decision making and resource allocation, fostering organizational unity. So, external environment analysis. External environment analysis. The analysis provides framework to assess external factors impacting strategic planning for organizations, highlighting the importance of understanding the broader environment. So it's nothing but PESTEL framework. So PESTEL framework is nothing but political, economical, social, technological, environmental, and legal. So these are the factors you are going to analyze. It's a PESTEL analysis. So Porter's Pifos's model. So everyone know about that. It's an industry analysis method. They are using the SWOT analysis maximum. Then Michael Porter's Pifos's model. Evaluate competitive intensity and industry structure. And SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats analysis. It identifies strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. So in the Porter's Pifos's model, so threat of new entrants, industry rivalry, threat of suppliers, threat of bargaining of suppliers, threat of bargaining of customers, and also threat of substitutes. So these are the five Michael Porter's Pifos's model will helps to analyze the industry. Strategy formulation. Strategy formulation is a very important because you have to formulate strategic alternatives, resource allocation, stakeholder engagement. So strategic alternatives, organization must explore various strategic alternatives to identify the most viable options for competitive advantage. Resource allocation, effective strategy formulation includes assessing resource capabilities to ensure successful implementation. Stakeholder engagement, so internal stakeholders as well as external stakeholders involving key stakeholders ensures broad perspective are considered for the strategy's success. So strategy implementation, action planning, change management, performance monitoring. So developing detailed action plans and assigning responsibilities is crucial for translating strategic objectives into operational activities, ensuring accountability and clarity within the organization. Change management, implementing strategies often requires managing change effectively, including addressing resistance and fostering commitment to new processes and goals among employees. Performance monitoring, establish performance metrics and monitoring system enables organization to track progress towards strategic objectives, facilitating timely adjustment as needed. So it will be aligned with the design thinking process, empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. Empathize is nothing but the problem identification. So strategy evaluation, performance measurement, organization assess strategy effectiveness through various performance metrics, and feedback mechanism. Continuous feedback from stakeholders is essential for recalibrating strategies. Strategic review, regular reviews adopt strategies to changing market conditions. So now we discussed about that design thinking. It will be implemented in that strategic management process. So what are the practical examples we have seen? Apple effective implementation of strategic framework while maintaining a cohesive vision. Coca-Cola, adaptation to market trends through diversification and sustainability initiatives. Toyota, use of lean manufacturing to emphasize efficient resource allocation. So, what is the conclusion of strategic management process? So, the strategic management process, it's aligned with the design thinking, that is the empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. And also, it will be reflect in that conclusion. Strategic is important in every organization. Continuous analysis and dynamic approach also. So, strategic importance integral for organization to thrive. Continuous analysis, you have to analyze, formulate, implement, and evaluate strategies. Dynamic approach fosters adaptability to economic shift. So, with the help of design thinking, the work will be complete very soon. So, empathize is nothing but problem identification. I mean, the problem, we are having a lot of problems. We have to identify the problem. So, we are going to analyze the data. It's empathize. And define, you have to define the problem. And ideate, you are having the different types of ideologies. That's why we have seen that brainstorming, you have to collecting a survey and everything. So ideation and prototype, you have to build the model. It will be help to solve the problem. And finally, testing with the customers or testing with the employees to execute the work. It will be very easily. So these are the things very important in the strategic management process. So strategic management process is nothing but strategic planning, strategic formulation, strategic implementation, strategic evaluation, and control. So these are the stages involved in the strategic management process. These strategic management process aligned with that design thinking. So thank you all for watching. Thank you all.